Assembly the obeko natural asem ebusia video way e feel talk relax it. What I say? Tobu I say relax it. Just take a cup of water. Cheers. What I say? Cheers. May enjoy this video because when a feel talk you call the camp of NDC and talk started a whole group two. Kevin Taylor any NDC communicators now any captains what abe clash. Efa kwabena du boahin ni case versus attorney general no I was a captain so be say kwabena du boahin wa win case no over attorney general enum no ana Kevin Taylor and these tiktokers o ma be clash with captains say hey massa all set agenda you're very careful ajeta e media ne so aha Penyah block media me so say need mu o be like video no that mo subscribe button so be click verification icon no latest update na ba kire wa agenda ba me e wo comments me so ba so no wa share for so anya bi ahye eti adwuma den wo Ghana has a see e so be defend current government and say ruling government den ha den sini bibia me ka be kire also there was a time na man focus ana MPP communicators na omu ye weak ana adwuma akufa de ye mo anka ho asem mo ho dawro hwe enya so omu ye weak you ha so na ye ruling government awo mistake wa ho no edorson opposition ejina so as a tool to backlash you and one way our communicators will always come out to defend it there be a defensive tactics defensive match and who as ruling government or communicators ebebo eti money bra mo so no na nyuma pa mo ye kwa mo anya time kan wa so na mo defend ebi ana tiesi NDC as a party mo no obekai enra ana bro bi da ka tro say the issue of Kwabena du Boahin versus the attorney general the state because the kind attorney general there say ojinama o man ni nyina nti o man ni nyina and then Kwabena du Boahin twema nso Emma the catch said that issue no some $7 million be contract man in 2020 but Captain Smart the expose e be hwim enra I would say case no du Boahin wa win because lawsuit attorney general of filing against Kwabena du Boahin dey the press conference hold on na any intelligence say didn't fa obeye dede kire Ghana for but in the lawsuit na say e court no hwe
documents are from the attorney generals ni suit na ho dey suit Kwabena du Boahin no ya lose Ono kana lose oh ya lose asema na oh yeah serious oh yeah these politicians these are the documents where attorney general Peter attorney general the assembly akota court what was it 927 rural kadesh when I was say nipa no wakoto 927 one day krata o de court new we ye be kind Monday minim say mewie no a lawyer for be freme Mr. Shandoff be freme what are the documents Mr. Shandoff this is the number 1 document This is the second document. I'll give you photocopies. So you don't have to call me Kura. Mr. Shanoff, this is the third document. You don't have to call me. Are you Kweku or Konyo or Kwesi? Whichever way, you are Shanoff. This is document number 5. You see the baby inside the day. You don't have to call me. Mr. Shanoff, you don't have to call me. This is document number 6. You dey here. You don't have to. JB, what's a brand to be a friend Kwabena du Boahin dinda? The attorney general man says what to dime akuma 27 no. O man this for $500,000 an hour more before the elections. Did the NDC take $500,000 from Kwabena du Boahin or not? And here number 1, third bomb, fourth bomb, or produce 4 cars. See a rubber 4. Why on a coy? Why not just a castle? Says a castle away. What can I say? Attorney General here press conference no or can say Kwabena du Boahin? Huh? We're moving Sika from a state BMC to a private BMC. We're far buying Sika free point A. No, they are to the private account to point B. Patro 1 is attorney general kind. Now, attorney general now has a case now they call court no. The suit in here. The Republic versus Kwabena Edubuahin, Angela Eje Boateng, Mildred Donko, and Advantage Solutions Limited. There's nowhere in this document just say Kwabena Edubuahin where movie a buying seeker and they to private account. Who is deceiving who? Are you guys? What is wrong with you? Why? Why are you doing this? Why? You come to speak. Organize a press conference. Tell the entire nation that somebody moved money from point A to point B. Meanwhile, in your suit, it is not stated there. So who did you deceive?
We knew agent the candidature to Massa. Edubuahin are any case against the state. So the state versus Edubuahin. Edubuahin won the case over the state. Anyone Anna came try no see there be ade we there. Ye nim dia wa Captain Smart so call captain. O now can this team now. And then na nsem mu dia say why your katasu mu asu bi e ba ben na tinia that the Kevin just want tia say no what the Captain Smart. Kevin Taylor together with NDC TikTokers. In fact, Oma by class with Captain Kojo Smart. Just say matter we say we ni mind no. Say no num we a fair part of the say mind. We ye janda mind. We num we
Captain Smart. Bipolar drone asan we tof no MC asa and we na kasa na wo no MC asa it is a bipolar drone asa hospital no mo pa bipolar drone bi mo se ne be ya wadwene no e be tina security no watima kasa yie I think say wo problem because me ka wasama say the miss address wo no one we you know benye problem. But the person me too kakra ni say ubanya adwen sachira no wahwehwe kwana to kwana enema ekoso anse na obeka ho asem na jimi no e ya do so wabra bomdodo kasa fi wanu mu bana etai bipolar do na asam misrawa ko pebi ena wi tofo no eni wi na kasa na wo no asam misrawa ko pebi to wai na ja susura no wa biebie wani han say apo
apart from say dollar call from by 10 cities, they say 1044 no. What next? John, I am telling you today, Mupa Munjindi, Mupa Munyahe, present a beer ni Yasimuha, or ye Juma Pa the NDC bar power, and Jimmy.
He is the best. Captain Smart is the king.
Present a beer ni
at all.
Any baby any chroma ha Ghana ha if you come in chroma time basically they actually 39 times in 2 years
at all
because of NDC
at all.
But me NDC
Captain Smart
and then people say no me no want them kwan no wakakra pa
so be side chick.
The truth of the matter is that they am tell you from where be the piama wo no and one am that you from ho
so be side chick
adwuma eni ho NDC fo na nkasa ye mo party fo na wo mo no mo call na krana eye as a as a drama omuafu 8 months be obi be ka to say 8 months no eswa because John Dramani Mahama mayet ase 2012 from January to August. Says MPP na do ne ba me na de court boso me wotwe a ko betuma ye niama pa ba mu delay amembo nu boso me wotwe. What it means is that asamna John Mahama kan no wo translate no into a na. What it means is that boso me wotwe it mean the yard the papa.
There's this agenda Edubuahin ni team no almost per se almost setting. Now agenda on person almost setting and say they want to malign the Attorney General, they want to discredit the Attorney General. Senebeya, when the Attorney General comes out to speak on this Educhum issue, no, every time they go to court and Attorney General tries to brief the nation, no, they are trying everything possible to make sure say on minor a team no we will not trust the Attorney General. Into the moment they trust for the Attorney General no echo form pay. Whatever the Attorney General will touch or do no, we will not have his support. or he will not have our support. It's what they are trying to do is say, Edubu he winning the legal team attaching the no. They want to make sure say, sir, respect no any belief na Ghana for your war attorney general no. They want to try and split it now because they need the public sympathy. Now, before you can get public sympathy, the opponent now within the air contoquano, you need to discredit the opponent. Now, attachia any sanko who say, so I'm say how many attorney general no age na court boot for boot, fact to factor. And yeah, they more than 5 months. Edubu he will be jailed. Now, what they want to do now, and they say, they want to malign the attorney general. Some good anima say. Say, sa confidence na Ghana for your attorney general. Some we free ho. Now, the moment to make sa confidence they free ho no, then the attorney general becomes like Assembly of Kebiano in Kuta weight. Then it makes them rather look like they are the credible ones. And it's as a West study. Every time psychologically, on say case or court, every time they are in any country or in any case, the prosecutor, sir, on it obiko court. Now accused the prosecutor every court PR. So we study every time no. Any pana accused no, the lawyers no, they psychologically they want the cameras to see that things are going on well in the courtroom. It's a psychological thing. So what study Obia yedena court biano, especially when the attorney general takes somebody to court. Somewhere exit court number bar. The attorney general's body language is the same all the time because the attorney general is not supposed to show anything like he's upset, he's happy, he's excited about something. The attorney general needs to be seen as an attorney general who is basically prosecuting, who is basically doing his job. Now, what the accused normally do, then they say, when they exit court, they want the people watching them to believe, say, our body language in actually say they are doing good in court. But so what's the story now could do? You could see say, at the end of the day, the accused majority of the time they are put in jail. Now it's psychological, and what they do, and they say, so I'm here sana utifia na osho mwa. Oga say, hey, and they do buy lawyer and PN or sister pao. Next say koye pa do buy case. Attorney General Attorney General is not fighting an individual. Attorney General is the nation's lawyer. In Attorney General he's not supposed to be smiling. He's not supposed to be showing any emotions. Attorney General is supposed to tell you what happened in court and walk. Because the Attorney General has a lot of dockets on his table. And yet Edubuahin case on the table. So it is not about Edubuahin's case. Never wanna be abesisa. Abamagana Fajin say he is a fancy Attorney General. Say they're not Godfrey Dame. What Godfrey Dame used to do was that he would call his own media. He will tell them to wait for him. He will come out of the court and do politics. Until the moment these people who have been accused, they know that their back is on the wall. No? What they do is, when they exit court, they make you or they create the impression, say, they are doing well in court. Because one, when they create that impression, Emawa Wosha Omonoje said the Attorney General is not doing anything. And that is what Edubuahin or the lawyer attaching, that is the game they are playing. And unfortunately, they have some people too who are helping them in the media space to do that to the Attorney General's office. Now, you're sorry, Attorney General's office has not lost any evidence in ongoing Edubuahin trial. And yet, the Deputy Attorney General and the case also with Shrim Sai, or say, Omatitin say me say, Edubuahin then the lawyers say, document Attorney General, say, or they bought the case, so buying, a prosecutor Edubuahin no, Edubuahin lawyers, any Edubuahin call for be in the media space near Edubuahin Ankasa say documents no pages in Kwabe it says Sahira. When they say something is missing, what does it mean? Yaka say Bibia Hira. Nasi yaka say I don't say Bibi Kuta Obi. No yaka say Adewe Aira. Nasi Osaka say Adewe, I don't want you to know what is in it. Are they the same thing? Semikuta card and I say spa card here twin. That's what Busam say. A day nekuta wea namka say men fan chirawa. Does it mean card in the semuna ira? Now let's go listen to Edubuahin lawyers. Maybe I'm a chama debia ekoso Ghana. These are the lawyers of Edubuahin. Mr. S, Mr. P. All right.
And thank you so much for staying with us. To some other story, counsel to embattle former National Signals Bureau boss Governor Edo Boahene lawyer Samuel Atachia has taken on the Deputy Attorney General, Justice Ramsai, insisting that the AG failed to disclose over 80 pages of the Signals Bureau's account details in court. There has been public assertion that a key evidence in the trial of Edo Boahene has got missing at the Attorney General's department. But the Deputy AG, in a statement, refuted the claim, insisting all relevant documents have been filed in court. Here are excerpts of his statement.
The Deputy AG, Justice Ramsai, in a post on his X account said the Attorney General's office has not lost any evidence regarding the ongoing Republic vs. Edo Boahene criminal trial. He then goes ahead to list the various documents they have filed on the matter as of June 18, which includes evidence of contract for sale, bank wire transfer records, bank account statements, company registration documents, property ownership records and purchase receipts, Interpol stolen vehicle records, a flowchart of the money movement through what he describes as a complex web of bank accounts, and testimonies of our 3 witnesses. All that of these documents have also been served on all the accused persons, and so it is not true that any of the documents have gone missing. The Deputy AG says before the legal vacation on July 31, the first 3 witnesses had been cross-examined by lawyers of the 3 of the 4 accused, which means that lawyer of the last accused is yet to do that cross-examination. But he is hopeful that they will return to continue when the legal vacation is over by the middle of October.
But reacting to the AG's response, the lawyer Atachia refuted his position, insisting that there were at least 80 pages missing from the account details.
Whether we are entitled, that is what the law says. It's a constitutional requirement. Article 19, fair trial. The fair trial requirement is that you shouldn't withhold information which should aid the innocence of the accused person.
Right.
Because the Attorney General is not a persecutor. An Attorney General is supposed to hold the scales of justice even. And when the evidence should inure to the benefit of the accused persons, the Attorney General is bound by law to divulge it to the court. And in fact, it is unprofessional for an Attorney General to withhold exculpatory evidence from the court.
I am quite curious to know, do you have any idea what exact document is alleged to have gone missing in this case?
Oh, in the first instance, the Attorney General withheld, about 83 pages of a bank statement that the Attorney General has filed before the court. So you could see a deficit of evidence by what the Attorney General filed before the court. So we call for the difference. Now, where is the rest of the pages relating to the bank statement you filed? And the judge blocked it. The judge didn't want them to bring it. This is where we are. As a fact, these are all facts if you have journalists following this story. And that's why we've appealed the decision of the judge. And the judge will not block evidence that the accused persons require to prepare their defense. And even use those pieces of evidence to cross-examine the witnesses.
Now, what Atachia, he is the lawyer for Edo Boahene. So what tie ne kasemu a oyusu brofubi oyusu withheld and disclose. The reporting, from the beginning of the reporting, they said the Attorney General failed to disclose. Atachia Ankasa statement in his interview, or said the Attorney General has withheld some documents. Now, as a journalist, I'm a Tehano. From what Atachia just said in that interview, they're not all can say Attorney General file document be. Now, sa document no, ni nyina ka document a yedi ebua ni nipa no e court. Na sa document ni bi no sebio e was Attorney General no e de ma omo so na omo so hwem e bi say e document a eno so e be boa omo so momo yi nsem no a ni nyina ka process no ho a e was e boa. Na sa nkrata no sa Attorney General pese o de be kire omo na so momu say nkrata we bi no ani sa nkrata ni mu a omubu ofu judge no efri say na nka say judge ne hye Attorney General say sankrata ne de omu pese omuhu. Where in this does it justify say Attorney General document no file no ayera? Where Why should a journalist or anybody sit on radio and say, Attorney General document or submitting or court, the documents are missing? Because there's a difference between you withholding the document, you not disclosing the document, and the document being missing. It is some time, you see, there are some things we do. In Kofoe, they want to what attach here. What attach here any team no person we say. They want to malign the Attorney General good anima say to the point say bedroom baby no. After Omaka say but trust Attorney General no. Mamu jinindi, and they are misquoting, misplacing, misspelling, and they are deliberately defining facts wrongly. Uti attach your interview now or the man joy for now. There was nowhere in the interview attaching concretely say the documents are missing. Attaching feels from his part on any councils, and now on any legal team feel say the Attorney General is withheld. He withheld some documents. He doesn't want to disclose them. There are so many reasons why maybe the Attorney General feels at this moment, I don't want to disclose. Maybe there is another person who is willing and ready to give more documents that will make his case, those particular documents, more solid. So, for all you know, even there might be somebody involved in the case who is pleading or bargaining to provide more to support that part of the document. The Attorney General has a strategy. You, the accused lawyer, you have your strategy. All that you have to do is to let the court know. Because I don't think, say, I am rapampi, say, document to be, the person is withheld now, or the person withholds the document. You cannot find a law to get the person to release the document. That does not mean the documents are missing. So you attach here tomorrow, you decide to go to court, and some of the documents that you have filed, you decide to hold on to it. The Attorney General knows the processes he can use through the court to get you to release those documents. That does not mean those papers that you are holding back, or those documents you are holding back, those documents are missing. So why would anybody sit, or why would anyone go on TV and say or report that the Attorney General's documents are filing 86 pages or something? There's a difference between missing and you not disclosing, or you holding on to a document. You see, and that is what the media sometimes, I am a man because say we are not helping the system. Until the court comes out to tell us, say, these documents are missing. Nobody in Ghana today can say a document in this trial is missing. The Attorney General might have his own strategy. He might decide to hold some documents. He might decide to delay something because maybe he's waiting for something. So if I don't add this document, I know that I can slow down the process and get what I need to make sure my case is clean cut. It could be a strategy of the Attorney General. So how can people just go out there and start screaming and making it look like, say, documents in a good table so, and it will be far a crime be so and it will Attorney General office and it will court war and also start documenting free move, because no, it's not. This is not cantata. This is not comedy. This is law.
Chirajo mama ewo comment section. I feel was a Captain Smart enemy. Enye de be uri ni. Munya. Aha Penyah Block Media. Agra.